Up, guys? My name is Kia Billingsley, back again with another video, guys. As you can see, I have my iPhone XR in front of me, guys. Got this today, and I'm hype. I'm ready to open this baby up, let you get a look around the box. It's gonna be a quick unboxing, guys. Just a very quick unboxing. So as you can see, I got the 128 gig in blue, guys. The front of the box has a nice feel to it. It's almost like you can feel the phone, guys. So let's open this up. It's nice, guys. Nice. You could greet it with the Design by Apple in California stickers, guys. And in the inside, you get the usual. Says hello, start guide, who needs this? I don't. You get that SIM ejection tray tool, guys, if you can see that. That's on deck, guys. And then you get your lovely Apple stickers. But that's not why we're here, guys. And then you get that sexy phone. But we're gonna put that to the side for right now. Then in the box, guys, you get your slow charger. Apple, will you ever learn? Your slow wall charger adapter. You get your earbuds with the cable connected to it, guys. No dongle. They did away with the dongle. And then you get your cable to plug into your adapter to charge your iPhone XR, guys. So now that we got that out the way, put the box and everything to the side, guys, and I'm gonna pull off this plastic, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. So let's see if I can get that sound that y'all love to hear. Boom. Look at that. Like I said, a quick unboxing, guys. I'm already loving the way that looks and feels, guys. I'm telling you. I'm already loving this. I'm already loving the feel of it and the way it looks, guys. It's not too small and it's not too big. It's the perfect size for me, guys. But like I said, this was just a quick unboxing, guys. I will get back on here with a first impressions and a review, guys, and some case reviews, tempered glass review, and installation. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.